Hello guys, I'm going to tell you how we can perform text classification using WEKA software. WEKA is a software that developed by WEKA University, New Zealand. You can download from internet and install on your computer. After installing your computer, you will click on Explorer button. This button will lead to a new window. There are different tabs: coming, preprocess, classify, cluster, associate, select attribute, and visualization. Firstly, we will perform preprocessing on a dataset. Now I'm going to open a dataset with open file button. We can see that there in the dataset we have two attributes right now: text and classes. We have 5 classes. Let me show you that how it look like. You can see that there is a string attribute and class attribute, and we have different classes, and each instance is look like first attribute is class text and second is class. First attribute is text and second is class. Now I'm going to perform pre-processing on text attribute. Under filter section, we will select filter unsupervised attribute and string to word vector. This filter transform an instance into words. There are different configuration. I will explain each configuration in a separate video. Right now I'm going to apply only lowercase, true, and turn frequency 5. I'm going to click on OK and apply this filter on text attribute. It will take 10 to 15 seconds because we have more than 12,000 instances. We can say that this filter created around 1400 attributes. Now we will move on towards classify. I will click on classify tab. There are different options are coming. First, we will select a class attribute from this list, class condition, and then we will select classifier. In the classifier section, there are different classifiers are coming: J48, random forest, rules, functions, SMO, logistic. In Bayesian, we have different Bayesian algorithms. Right now I'm going to select naive-Bayes multinomial, and we are going to split data set with 70-30. 70% data set we'll use for training and the remaining 30% for testing. Now I'm going to click on start button. This classifier classifies the instances. We can see that we achieve 62.28% accuracy, and here are different accuracy measures: precision, recall, F measures about each class, and average as well. There is a confusion matrix. We can see that if we explain you this confusion matrix, we can see that there is a class, and A is correctly classified 1088 instances, and 77 instances that labeled with A but classified as B, and 29 instances is labeled as A but classifies C. So this is the confusion matrix, and we can also check the other classes as well. So now I'm going to change the percentage with 80 and to check that this percentage will affect the classification or not. Now we can see that our performance is increased with 1%. And now I'm going to change the classifier as well. We are going to change with complement naive-Bayes classifier and going to start again, and you can see that our performance is increased around 5%. And we can say that complement naive-Bayes is more better than naive-Bayes multinomial on this dataset, this specific dataset, not all dataset. It depends on dataset how kind of your dataset is. Okay, this is my today video. In next video I will explain other features about WEKA. Thank you very much.